In this video, we will guide you through the process of culturing Indigenous Microorganisms (IMO) from the soil. The tools and equipments you will need include 1 liter of cooked rice, approximately 800 grams, a wooden box that is around 30 by 30 by 15 centimeter in size, or a section of bamboo with a large diameter that has been cut in half along its length, a metal grate large enough to cover the box or bamboo segment, a sheet of paper large enough to cover the open side of your box or bamboo segment, a piece of string or elastic to tie the paper tightly to your container, 1 kilogram of brown sugar, a glass or plastic container with a lid, around 10 liters in size. In this section, we will make IMO. Loosely fill the container, box, or bamboo with cooked rice. To allow for proper airflow, do not pack the rice in tightly and do not fill any portion of the container over 7 centimeter. Cover the container's opening with paper and secure it in place with string or elastic. Place the container in a moist, shaded area that has healthy soil or a fair amount of leaf litter. A clumping of bamboo would be a good setting. Place a metal grate over top of the container. This is to keep out pests and moisture respectively. Place stones or bricks on top for further security. Leave the container in the setting for approximately 2 to 3 days if it's warm and humid, or up to 4 to 5 days if it's cool and dry. After a few days have passed, put on latex gloves to avoid contamination and check the container. If a culture is successfully growing, you will see white fluffy mold on top of the rice. If the culture is established, put on gloves and remove the content from the container and mix it gently with brown sugar at a ratio of 1:1. Place the mixture in a glass or plastic container with a loosely fitting lid and let it sit for 1 to 3 weeks. The content will begin to break down into a liquid form. At this point, you have successfully cultured IMO. Before use, dilute the IMO culture with water at a ratio of 1:1000. Use the diluted solution to water your compost pile or spray on animal bedding to reduce smell.